prompt chaining that I think Anthropic released is the same concept, but explained from a prompt point of view. You can look at all of these LLM calls as agents themselves. So what you're seeing here is sequential in nature. This is router, so this is not directed acyclic graph because there is a router which takes a call on which flow it should go. So I would still put it under sequential. Then you have parallelization. This is where directed acyclic graph or DAG comes into picture, where one input is shared with three different agents, and then there is an aggregator that waits for all three agents to complete its job. Then you have orchestration. This is where this also falls under the DAG category. So you have an orchestrator which kind of figures out when to use which flow, but then there is an agent that waits for the whole output. Sometimes the orchestrator may decide that it needs all three agents, but sometimes the orchestrator may decide it just needs one agent. So that's the power of an orchestrator, which is also the managerial capability that the agents have. And then Evaluator-Optimizer, which is again a DAG concept because it can take any direction. So the LLM generator generates a solution, and the evaluator evaluates and rejects or gives feedback. So it kind of goes into a loop. So that is evaluator and optimizer agent.